Nuffy. Boom boom. Uno introduction of Mavado and Vybz Kartel to the stage. Even if we be completely honest, looking at Sumfest and watching it, uno build up a certain type of momentum before them touch the stage.
A few moments later.
Jamal Dunceman, them have to go watching a dance hall. Lyrics and par. Performance and par. And
2,000 years later.
artists them perform good. We should have considered about average. Jamal stand out for me, everybody.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
There is one little drawback to Sumfest, and if a lot of people honest for talk, then we talk. But tell you what, the Gully Gaza impact was not the same.
Jesus, this like no man.
The highlight of the Sumfest Review 2026, Mavado and Vybz Kartel. Uno can't tell me so uno not fi thank Mavado. Mavado deserve a round of applause to make this possible, to make Sumfest a success.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them lock?
People who are going, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. So people, you don't know J Progress run out, you know. Yeah man, you matter about the Sumfest, about the Gully and Gaza thing. We know you go to where J Progress been a back and forth with the Gaza and thing, but I think today I just start the truth. You understand? But listen what I go on, people. You understand? Yeah man, listen what I go on.
Part 1 of the Sumfest Review. First and foremost, as part of the review, I want to say, Nuffy. Boom boom. Uno introduction of Mavado and Vybz Kartel to the stage. Even if we be completely honest, looking at Sumfest and watching it, uno build up a certain type of momentum before them touch the stage. Me have to say, the MC work, them can't knock it.
Yeah man, them did a great job. And I think the two MC them, you know, is like them just when it comes to MC, it's like when it comes to the artists them, at them man you have to MC them. You don't know. Nuffy Gaza from Portmore, Cartel, you understand? You have Boom Boom, Gully side, they don't know Grand Spend one link same way Movado for years. So everything just connect people at the right MC for them. You see me? So the energy. You know, remember say Nuffy did it with the Clash with Sting, you know, with Movado. So that even make it more, you understand, energetic and you know, can resemble back in the days and thing, is it?
To grade the MC work there, Boom Boom and Nuffy with the introduction and all them build up that little momentum there in the crowd before Vybz Kartel and Mavado touch the stage. Me have to say, the MC part of Sumfest is nothing less than a 10 out of 10. Me can't go around it. Joe Bogdanovich, me glad say your sissy. Dancehall can do it without no other foreign artists like what Sumfest used to be. Feel like we have to get a foreign artist coming in. Some big fancy foreign artists have to come in to make Sumfest be Sumfest. The talent in a dancehall.
But J Progress, remember say the Gully and Gaza thing, you know, bro. It now got happen every year, my G. You understand? It now got happen every year. You see me? So remember say Sumfest are key for years. You can't say them don't need international cars. Remember, you know, you have people there in Jamaica who can't fly, we never fly yet. And them would have love to see them artists here. And just by paying a small price. You understand? So yeah, people. So you can't say that, bro. If them can't afford it and them want to do it and depend on them schedule, make them do it. Because people over where they are Jamaica want to see for it. See like how them book Burna Boy and makes Chris Brown come here. It good the people them feel like yo them they are foreign car Chris Brown there and you understand? Yeah. So it's good for the culture as well. Because people are gonna fly in to see them artists as well. You see me? Yeah man.
And do it. What happened last night was just a part of it because a whole heap of great dancehall artists wasn't even there on Sumfest. You see me I deal with? So Joe Bogdanovich, I think last night supposed to show you say The only place you need to look for artists for Sumfest is in a Jamaica. That in a dance hall. You don't need them from nowhere else, from no other genre of music. Only dance hall. And you can't run short and nothing in a Sumfest. Joe Bogdanovich, I think last night is the night where really make you realize, say, dancehall artists and dancehall, I mean the entire dancehall. And if we be completely honest, enough of the greats them in the dancehall wasn't there at Sumfest. So Joe Bogdanovich, imagine when you pack Sumfest with all of the greats them.
But J Progress, Sunfest, do it already, you know, bro. Enough time. Remember some over than Alkaline the dip on show already. Bounty Beanie. How much of them, my G? You understand? Them dip on it. But you have to understand, say, bro, at Jamaica this worse, them see them artists out in the street every day. So them now go on forward back and see the same artists. And remember, you know, bro, international people are flying to, you know. You understand? You have to bring in people as well, artists as well, my G. You see me? Yeah, car. Look on Chris Brown, look on Burna Boy. Enough artists with them book. People with there want to see them too. They don't want to get up every year and see the same artists, them, my G. You understand? That's how you think go. But you need, yeah, you're going to need some artists out there as well. International artists will fly in, at least one. People can say, all right, yo, I'll go see the artist. Because them been to see the artists, them when they are Jamaica on the road, on the street. You understand? Different events at Jamaica, yeah.
Before me even kick off the ultimate Sumfest review, me I go say, you see you boy Jamal Dunceman, them have to watch in a dance hall, you know. Jamal Dunceman, them have to go watch in a dance hall. Lyrics and par. Performance and par. I mean, already did tell them already, say, anybody want intro for borrow for your song, them can go check Jamal Dunceman, can come like him never think about him intro them, but them almost always it. Jamal Dunceman. It was a phenomenal performance.
Yeah, man, the boy Jamal, me I tell you. The boy Jamal, you know, he might do him thing. You see it? Jamal, yeah. Although, I think Jamal about 39. I think Jamal soon reach 40, you know. Or so, you know. You see me? But he might do him thing. He can do him thing, man. You see me? Yeah, he can do him thing. You see, man, him know if he get the crowd roar and, you know? Yeah.
Sumfest last night. Me can't go around it. Hear the thing. Whole heap of artists in the dance hall get a ear of Sumfest and shell it down, but them can't do it a second consecutive year. Jamal Dunceman, me review your last year, youth. And youth, this year, the review can't be no different. Youth, you fuck up Sumfest. Them have to go watch in the dance hall. Believe me when me tell you that. Jamal Dunceman, one thing me can tell you, youth. You see anything where you are do, if you make you hit the way in the dance hall, don't change it. Don't.
Well, I'm just have to build him catalog, you know. I just that. Just build him catalog and certain energy, I have to just cut off, is it? Yeah, man, I have to just build him catalog and certain energy, you see me? So, you know, because sometimes the man them kind of bring certain energy around them and police start, you know? Yeah, them think they can damage the thing as well, is it? So, I have to just focus on the music and do him thing, you see me? I just one of them thing, is it?
Change the youth, because if you can have an artist will break out and consecutively give you a kind of performance like where you do Jamal Dunceman. Me know them see it, you know. Jamal Dunceman, dance all of you, watch you. Remember J Progress tell you. Yes, me people. Part 2 of the review of Sumfest is all the other artists them. Most of the other artists them perform good. We should have considered about average. Jamal stand out for me, everybody them review. Jamal stand out for me. And then, as we all know, the main event at Sumfest was about Gully and Gaza. So it was about Mavado and Vice Cartel. How did the organization of Sumfest deal with the crowd and everything arranged? They do a lot better than all the other Sumfest before. To date, this is the best organizational structure for the event when me see. I don't know if because they move it from Catching Hall. I don't know if the venue make a big difference, but all I know, there was a lot better structure for Sumfest this year. I don't know what they did different. Yes, the venue changed. Probably this may be the right venue for Sumfest.
I mean, you see the thing is that, you know, bro. Remember, you know, remember I said Joe them, I think them have a contract with the Catching Hall place. Because I think a UDC, so them have a contract where I guess it based upon years. You understand? The last time here, I think somebody tell me like 15 years. So you know, it's like through the venue they kind of demolish based on the hurricane and thing. So them just use plantation just for there and do a one night. But what you maybe a talk about is that you see because we used to Sunfest as a either 2 night or 3 night, I guess. Yeah, something like something I don't remember. But this is just a one night show. So look here now, they might put them all in a the one night show. You see the 3 night show, it a gonna be different. You understand? So at that you kind of mix it up with. Remember I say Sunfest now regularly do one night show, so they might put them all them best nights. So that's why it looks so different, feels so different. You understand? So I remember say Sunfest I keep like weekly shows and all of them little things. So this now the one night event them a go it a go more easier for them and it a more they might do it more perfect. You understand? Yeah.
Antigonians now go like it, but at the same time, this may be the best venue for Sumfest because everything runs smooth. Everything look like it runs smooth from my end because I wasn't there on the ground, but me go through a lot of clippings and see what I want, and it look alright. The fans them, the energy was a high energy kind of event. This is how dancehall energy is and should be in all event. The fans them, no booing no go on, no buckle no fling, no nothing. All in all, the structure of Sumfest this year, 2026. Joe Bogdanovich, Scatter Borrell, me have to tell you no. And plus, me have to credits to the venue. It go on good. If there is any other underlying issues where me never see that Sumfest here can get a 10 out of 10 for structure-wise and organizational-wise. Uno do a good job on one.
Yeah man, for real man. But as me say, it's a one night show, you know. So it's a one night show. So it's like it gonna look more structured because remember Sunfest used to the 3 night show and them have different events leading up. So more work, so it'll be more frustrating. But this is a one night show. So imagine over the years, I think Sunfest had like what 33 years? Something like so. Yeah. So it's like imagine you do something more than once and then you gotta do it in a one day. Yeah, it's like you make it perfect because you're used to more than 1 days. You see me? And the plantation cove place or whatsoever what them are using now. I think them just rent it for a 1 day. You understand? I just a 1 day them rent it for so. I just one of them thing about the catching all thing is a contract thing. So when I think them are gonna use but that because them don't have a contract with the catching all venue. You see me?
Maybe after last night, we now realize that venue there should probably be the venue going forward. There is one little drawback to Sumfest, and if a lot of people honest for talk, then we talk. The show was a 10 out of 10 entertainment-wise for dancehall. Don't get it wrong. The show entertainment-wise, energy-wise, was rampack. There was no low moment between the Sumfest show last night. But tell you what, the Gully Gaza impact was not the same like 20 years ago. People will disagree, but let me tell you something. I don't know if it's because the fans them know say this is a friendly thing going on here. But you see that crazy mad energy they like when Sting went on. It's a different type of atmosphere within that time.
Yeah man. Remember say man lose them life and bag of thing, you know. You understand? Man lose them life and thing and you know? So it's a different energy. No. Different time from now, brother. You see me? Can't go on like back then. Different time from now. You see it? So you now get that energy they like when it did vicious them time there in a 2008 I think. You see me? So we have to look on them thing there as well. You see it? Cause I tell you people, it's not normal. You see me? And that clash there cause a bag of problem. You see me? It cause a bag of problem, people. So when we see that, me I say, yo, Jaja, that a go on. So you now get to that energy there, bro. You now go get that feeling there. Cause that feeling there, it the real serious thing a go on. So now this is just a like an anniversary thing. Yeah, more like a versus thing like yeah, but an actual clash. You see me?
The fact that this is friendly and I just Mavado and Vice Cartel come together and go and do an anniversary. It was damn good, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't great. The anticipation, the emotions and everything that would have been there when the original Gully Gaza thing went kick off. It never did it. And me would have never expect many people to look for that anyway. Because anybody would look for that, me sure say them disappointed. Because guess what? This was a different kind of show. This was more entertainment and this was more for dancehall. It was great. But the Gully Gaza impact was not the same like when Gully Gaza were really at it. Believe. The highlight of the Sumfest Review 2026, Mavado and Vibes Cartel. You can't tell me so enough to thank Mavado. Mavado deserve a round of applause to make this possible, to make Sumfest a success.
Well, as me say you know, Mavado and Cartel is an artist where, you know, them feed off of each other energy. And it just work out for them. You understand? And you know, you don't know Joe and Cartel them, a link them, a business partner them. So, you know, if you see Mavado do all of that and you know, yeah. He might do it for the culture, you know. Dep on the stage with Cartel and thing and yeah, he might do it for the culture and thing. You see it? So I just one of them things, as me say, it good for the artists them. You see it? Trust me. It good for the artists them, I tell you.
You can't tell me so you have to thank Mavado. I tell you a long time to thank Mavado. You understand? No. The Gully and the Gaza anniversary in 2026. Why? This is dancehall. This is dancehall, and it shows that dancehall don't deserve a king. Dancehall don't have no king in it. You could have really removed Mavado after all I want to see last night at Sumfest and say dancehall need a king. Dancehall no need no king. Dancehall need the greats them to do dancehall and stop prove who is this and who is that. Dancehall don't need no king. You could have never ever look on what going last night on stage with Mavado and Vibes Cartel and tell me say Uno can distinguish who is the king of dancehall.
No. Yo, Jeff, bro, it's not easy either. You know, see, man, them crown Cartel already, bro. Yo, look at Jeff Progress want to take off a crown off a Cartel, brother. I just say, go, brother, every artist have them greatness in them generation and all of them look at thing. You see it? Cartel are doing thing, Alkaline are doing thing, Mavado are doing thing. You see me? I just one of them thing, the people. You see me? Yeah, man.
Nothing not go like that. But what I saw Mavado did on stage and what I saw Vibes Cartel did on stage at 2026 Sumfest, it tell me say the clash we won 20 years ago, nobody near win it. Nobody near win it. It showed me in 2026 that Mavado fan base still strong and powerful just as for Vibes Cartel. It's only because Mavado now push up and guani in the spotlight. Mavado fan base is still intact, is still solid, and is still kicking. Just like Vibes Cartel.
The thing is that, bro. Remember, say, most of the people them are dead. Yeah, Mavado have him fans. But the thing is that, if you understand, say, all fans were in there. Mavado have its song. So they might give the energy. Remember, this are the clash, You understand? Are the clash this, so. Say, they might remember the song and every little thing. You see me? Because you don't know the guys are there the same way and thing. But I just feel like this is all about the clash and the music and the hit song them fall out of the clash. And the hit song them the artists have. You see me? Any fans were there, we love music, them are go real. You see me? Them are go real. And Gaza fans are there, are go real. Mavado fans are there, are go real. You see it? I just a clash and the memories and them thing that although you see me that clash there take a couple people life and thing, but Jaja, rough we see artists say good and them man there. Yeah, bro, but one of them thing the people, and maybe if them they live in them would have witness this as well.
We all hear the cheers in the crowd, song for song. The cheers for Vibes Cartel song, the cheers for Mavado song. Let me tell you something. This is a dancehall. And remember, Massacre name did it. Alkaline name did it. Imagine that. That's why I'm telling you, say, no king in a dancehall. Too much great entertainer and artists with too much mega fan bases out there. For anybody, to come segregate dancehall and talk about king in a dancehall. All I know, Sumfest was a success. Me can't go around it. How did Vibes Cartel perform? I can't take nothing from Vibes Cartel performance. How did Mavado perform? I can't take nothing from Mavado performance. It was a 10 out of 10 show. Based on what me observe. The crowd was kept entertained. Hits after hits after hits. Nobody now lean no more to Vice Cartel side. Nobody now lean no more to Mavado side. That's why we say we have to thank Mavado for this.
Yo, man, I lie still, you know. The artists them bring the best out of each other when them a perform. Like, you know, people say you are the best them ever see Cartel perform. And because of Mavado. You understand? Because it's like them are forward up in a them thing. It's like, you know, say it build the two of them. The Gaza thing build the two of them people. You understand? The Gaza and the Gully thing, I say. So when them see that, it trust me, it all go motivate them to do certain things, and you know, yeah, people, that all go on. I tell you that. Is it so? I just one of them thing there, man. Them all do them thing.
We have to thank Mavado. And after tonight, what go on at Sumfest? Ask yourself the question. We don't really think there is a king in dancehall. Our dancehall just jam pack with whole heap of great entertainer. Ask yourself that.
Just feel like the artists them back in the days compared to the new artists them now. Make the new artists them come like fucker, come like shit. Because what the fuck is that Sunfest? Like, or maybe I get too old, but Sunfest in my days when you have Beanie Man and Buntik and all of them people, them time the Sunfest was something like, no me listen to Shana Chin and them people, they're like, why are y'all on Sunfest? And I look like, I forgot about Magnum Kings and Queen of Dancer.
Chano, Magnum King and Queen. Yo, Jaja. I tell you, but I think based on the lineup, I think them could have get like a few more artists here, you know. We can, you know, can build up the momentum to the clash. Them could have do better with that. You see me? Them never really have much artists. You see me? Like that. I just Jamal and Ieshan, we can say you're rare. You see me? So I just one of them thing the people. You see me? Yeah. But the lineup could have do better. That's all. You see it.
I go audition for Rising Star or something, but this is Sunfest that ain't shit.
Yeah, man, people. You don't know one media facts pan up, you know. Yeah, man. You don't know anything said. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. One media facts pan up. That is it.